what was lovely, I didn't expect ever to play it again, but this is a whole new little bit of history of Victoria that we hadn't known, and not many people had known. They found out about. So it was a very nice thing to add to what we'd done with John Madden.
And based on a true story, did you know anything about it? Because when I think of Queen Victoria, I think of that, the love story with Albert and all the amazing museums and what we've got here, and then John Brown, of course, with your film. And this story I had no idea about.
Well, I know. Well, none of us had any idea, because after he'd gone, everything was destroyed, all the letters and everything.
Bless you. Just while you're recovering, I'm going to ask you,
Has anyone sneezed on your programme before?
At least it's live TV, that's the good news, isn't it?